Okay, so you have your power source as a battery. So it's DC. The DC goes to a DC Tesla coil, step up voltage times 3. Your voltage transforms into a spark and goes to the DC Tesla coil step down voltage by 3 steps. The spark is going through a solar panel box, so the solar panels on the inside where the spark goes through the box. The solar panels collect the light energy from the spark. The spark continues to the DC Tesla coil, gets stepped down, and the power goes to a DC heater coil. The DC coil makes heat and light. So for the light energy that comes from the heater coil, the light will be captured by a solar panel box, and the heat will give energy to a moonshine vat to make alcohol or moonshine. So this part will be near ground level. Then this is an alcohol fall chamber. So from the moonshine vat is going to fall into the alcohol fall chamber and turn all these generators. And it's not going to be just 5 generators. This is 700 miles below Earth's surface, so there could be thousands and thousands of generators. I don't remember what my last calculation was, but here's anyways 2 chambers. So the alcohol falls. Yeah, this would be ground level, and this would be near 700 miles below the Earth's surface. So it's when the alcohol falls out, it's going to turn a water wheel, and the water wheel is going to turn a generator. And so basically, the alcohol is going to turn the water wheel, and the water wheel is going to turn the generator and make electricity. And the alcohol will fall to the next generator, and to the next, and to the next, and produce a lot of electricity. In the end, the alcohol is going to fall to the bottom. Here's your locomotive steam engine. So the alcohol is going to go into the locomotive steam engine and turn the generator. So the generator is now powered by the locomotive, and the generator gets electricity. Now your locomotive, steam engine, and your generator, you could have a water source come and cool the locomotive steam engine. Or you could just have a steam engine or a locomotive, and the alcohol will burn, and the alcohol will make it more of a alcohol engine, with no excess water, and the excess steam vapor will go into this tank. From this excess tank, you could power a water to fuel converter. So you have your H2O, which is from the excess tank, from the steam from the generator or the locomotive, either or. It depends on how you make your setup. So you have your H2O and your O2 and your hydrogen. You put electricity. I'm going to draw a battery here. Okay, I just added a battery to the water to fuel converter, and the hydrogen. This is a very large hydrogen and water to fuel converter, so think of it as very big. So to get it back to the Earth's surface, your O2 is going to go in this chamber, and your hydrogen is going to go up here. So now that your hydrogen's up here, it's going to go to the steam engine, and the steam engine is going to burn the hydrogen, and the hydrogen is going to give that excess steam into the to the access tank, and the locomotive steam engine is going to turn the generator. So now that you have more electricity and you have your access steam tank, you could use that electricity to go to the next water to fuel converter, which is going to use this access steam tank, since now that the vapor has risen above the level of where it first was, right here. Now it's all the way up here. Now the water to fuel converter is going to put more electricity using water from the excess steam tank and raise the water even higher till you get it back to the level of the Earth's ground level. Thank you for watching.